you gonna dance for us? Daddy, you are 27 inches tall today and 16 and a half pounds. Is that exciting? Do you like that paper sound? Are you ready to run a marathon now that you're 6 months old? I think so. Are you trying to make it to the end of the table? That's so good! Say yay! Yay! I can walk. And I got muffin top.